Hey guys, so I don't even know how to start this video, to be honest. It's just been such a hard time. So many emotions have been going through me, and I know so many of you are experiencing the same exact thing. And it's a lot, you know. And I wanted to spotlight some black women influencers that I really enjoy watching. I do think that in every industry we have to work towards diversifying and to just uplifting black people in every single industry, and to make it the norm for black people to be just as high in positions as our counterparts. So I notice whenever I look for black women on YouTube, it's difficult to find them. I almost have to go in this deep dark search to find people, and they're just not, I don't know why that is. I can't give you an answer. I'm not really the algorithm, but I'm just speaking from my own experience. Sometimes even searching smoky eye black women, like, you'll still find people who pop up who are not black. So I just wanted to shout out 20 influencers that I really enjoy that you guys may or may not know, and my hope is that you can find someone in this group of beautiful, talented, intelligent, amazing women that you can uplift, follow, share their content, commenting, liking, and sharing content is the way that we are able to grow in social media, grow our brands, because we are brands, personal brands. And I thank you all. I'm so grateful for every single one of you who subscribes to my channel, who watches my videos. You guys mean the world to me, like you don't even know. Anyways, I did write down on my phone because I knew I would forget the names of the people I want to mention. This is not in any particular order. I just kind of went through my sub box and try to find people, try to remember from my memory. I have about 20 people on my list, but there are so many more talented, beautiful, intelligent black women that I can mention. Some areas in my life that I felt like I could be definitely more active is sharing more creators, because it's, like I said, it's harder to find. I feel like they're not advertised as much on my homepage, at least. So to share them with you guys when I discover them, you guys can feel free, if you're a creator, if you feel free to shout yourself out in the comment section of this video. If you make YouTube videos or if you're on Instagram, shout yourself out, promote yourself in this video's description. Honestly, if you're a black creator, you are free to comment on any of my videos on your channel. I mean, I would love if you commented something about the video first, but always feel free to shout yourself out because it's just that much harder, and I'm cool with it. Just engage with my content too. Anyways, let's see. You will notice in this video, I'm not gonna mention people that you obviously already know of. We love, we appreciate, we are so thankful for the Jackie Aina. Honestly, I feel like she's the only one I see going out of her way to support smaller content creators who are black, to help uplift them, because it is really hard. It's 10 times harder in every industry, to be honest, when you're black. Anyways, let's get to my list of people. So the first person is ANDREA RENEE. I know a lot of you guys already know ANDREA, but I definitely had to shout her out. She's definitely one of my internet friends, and we have been communicating with each other for about 3 years now. It's been a long time. If you love my channel, you're definitely gonna love her channel as well. She does makeup tutorials, reviews, declutter videos, so you will definitely love her content if you are into my content. She's super chill, love her, amazing. The next person I wanted to mention is Faye, and she is also someone that I met around the same time as ANDREA. So she also makes beauty videos. She also incorporates home videos in her channel now, so you can definitely check her out. I'll leave her down below as well. I will have everyone's info linked down below in the description box. The next person that I wanted to mention is someone that I recently discovered about a year ago, so not recent, but yeah. I've been obsessed with her content. Her name is OCTAVIA B. I started watching a lot of relaxed hair videos back when I was trying to decide if I wanted to relax my hair. So I came across her channel and I fell in love. She's amazing, chill, super like kind person. Most of the people I recommend are gonna be super chill people. I'm just kind of like into that vibe. That's what I'm drawn to. So I think that's basically what I tend to watch. She does vlogs, she does a little bit of makeup sometimes, fashion try-ons, days in the life, relaxed hair videos. If you're into any of that, definitely go check her out, subscribe, share her videos, give her a thumbs up. Do that for everybody, okay? The next person is Antoinette, and I found her, I don't know how, and she is gorgeous, like everyone else that I'm gonna mention. She used to live in Brooklyn, but she recently moved to Los Angeles, and she does like day in the life vlogs. She does like very aesthetically pleasing videos. The music is very common. She also does like what I eat in a days, I think, different routines, like morning routines. I love her content, love her vibe, very relaxing, and yeah, really nice. Moving on, I have here the style and beauty doctor. Some of you guys may already know her, but she's very knowledgeable with skincare. She's into makeup, fashion. I met her at a Laura Mercier event about a year ago in person. Definitely check her out. I also have on here Madison. She's from New York as well, and super talented. She does amazing makeup. Her content focuses mostly on makeup, so she does makeup tutorials, reviews. She's amazing. Her skin is so flawless, you guys. Like, I've seen her skin in real life and it's like a filter. It's amazing. So definitely check out Madison. I also had to mention Shanine. Shanine is Too Much Mouth, in case you didn't know, and she's super chill. Definitely go check her out. Another gorgeous, beautiful black woman. I also have High Low Lux. She does fashion videos mostly. She also does some vlogs, so definitely check her out. Her style is amazing. I have also Alicia and Kyra. They're a twin, and both of their channels and all of their content is just such beautiful quality, top notch. They're so chill, and all of these women I feel like I could just hang out with and just have the most amazing, educated conversations and just be super chill and relaxed with. And that's, you know, that's what I want to see. Like, I want to be able to get to the top, get to the table, and the table be filled with people who look like me. We don't have to be the only ones at the table, but I don't want it to just be two of us at the table, if you feel what I'm saying. The next person I have on here is Eileen. I love her content. She's so gorgeous. Every time I look at her face, I'm just like, this girl is like a model. She looks like what I think of when I think like runway model. She does makeup videos. She also posts on Instagram. She has a blog, so definitely check out Eileen. I also have Joy, who is also New York based. She does fashion content, also makeup content, and skincare content. For the most part, everyone I'm mentioning to you does all three of these categories, makeup, fashion, and skincare. The next person is Soul Style Beauty, which is, her name is Imani. So she does all three of what I mentioned. In addition, she also does faith-based videos. So if you're a Christian, or if you're looking for faith-based content, this is like a tongue twister. If you're looking for faith-based content, definitely check her out. She's amazing. So, and next I have Kelsey Brianna, and Kelsey does makeup. Kelsey will give you all the newest makeup releases, the Pat McGrath reviews, Kevin Aquan, Charlotte Tilbury. She's a makeup artist, and she's someone who I can say like passionately loves the art of makeup, the makeup industry. If you're looking for anything on new makeup releases, or if you want tutorials, check out Kelsey's channel and her Instagram. Also, KRISTA is another person who is a OG of the makeup community in the sense that she is in the industry, the makeup industry, and she is someone who can give you her expert advice on different techniques and different things about makeup. She's very knowledgeable. They just have so much more knowledge than someone like me who has never worked in the makeup industry besides working at Sephora. I just love their vibes. The next person I have on my list is Rachel Ama, and she is from the UK, I want to say. I'm pretty sure she is from the UK, but she does vegan recipes, and you don't have to be vegan to watch her channel, but you can definitely get inspiration if you're looking to make a more vegan meal. You could always make the side dish vegan and then make the main dish with meat if you're into meat. I do both. I try to do more plant-based things, but I still have meat occasionally. But I love her content. She's really good. She's an amazing chef, and check her out if you're looking for vegan recipes. I also wanted to mention Terrianne, who is from St. Lucia like me. She's also based in the UK though, and she does cooking videos. Now girl, I done gained like 20 pounds in quarantine replicating her recipes at home, because she does like rich, so delicious food, girl. I found her channel while I was locked in my room in quarantine in the beginning of April. In that short period of time, I've tried like 15 of her recipes and they taste so good. I am in love. So if you're looking for some new recipes, check out her channel because she's dope. Okay, another beautiful person I want to mention is Tiffany. Tiffany does makeup reviews. She does like Sephora hauls, tutorials, hair reviews, so definitely check her out as well. I feel like I hit 20 already, but I have a few more. I have Saida. So Saida is on YouTube and Instagram as well. She does makeup videos, vlogs. She's a new mom of 2, so I think both her babies are probably under 5, I want to say. So definitely check her out if you're into that type of content. And then I have Nia Nicole. She is another YouTuber. She does a variety of content, focusing on home. She also has a baby around 2 years old, I want to say, and she does like house cleaning if you're into cleaning videos, decluttering, that type of thing. I wanted to spotlight all these creators because I love them so much and I want to share them with you guys. And I also have Catherine. Catherine is not a small influencer, but she's someone that I definitely enjoy her content. She's gorgeous. She does amazing makeup and she's also into art. So she does painting, mixed media type of art, and she's amazing at it. And I really appreciate that. I do have a background in art, which I don't really talk about really much. So I always appreciate seeing an artist who does makeup. I feel like a lot of you guys know who she is already, but if you don't, definitely check her channel out. Another person who you guys may already know is Yoni Rose, and she does makeup tutorials, transformation videos. She's the queen of transformation videos. If you ever seen boyfriend or husband makes my outfit videos, I feel like Yoni Rose was like the original person who started this, so started that whole trend. So definitely check out her channel. So these are all the influencers that I'm going to mention today. I'm going to make it a point to constantly talk about and to let you guys know any influencers that I watch that you guys can watch as well. And I would love if you guys would do the same and let me know of any influencers that I should be checking out. Leave them down in the comment section down below. I did place some orders of black owned products, black owned makeup, skincare, like self-care type of products. So once everything arrives, I'm definitely going to be doing a haul for y'all to show you guys some black owned products. I've never actually made it a point to spend my money more on the black owned products, and I think that's something that I definitely need to do better at, because a lot of the times we spend our money everywhere. Like, we support everyone, we purchase from everyone, but everyone does not purchase from us. So I do feel like we have to purposefully invest into our own just as much, if not more, as we do into other people. So with that being said, I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love y'all so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.